Hello guys, once again welcome to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, please and please, I'm sorry for the inconvenience. For a couple of time or for a couple of days ago, I've not been active on my YouTube channel and I've not been updating you guys with how to make money online. So guys, please and please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly do so because there will be new giveaways and there will be new updates on how to make money online. So guys, please and please remember to subscribe to my channel. The channel name is Crypto Denzel. Don't forget to also click on the notification bell so that you could be the first person to get update from me whenever I release a new video. So guys, today I'll be showing you a new Tron mining site. So guys, without further ado, let's jump onto the site. So there is this site called tronminers.com. Don't worry about the link, it's in the description box. Kindly click on it so that it could lead you directly to this platform. So guys, if you want to register a new account with them, all you need to do is to copy a Tron wallet address from either Binance or Coinbase. So I'm using my Binance address. So this is my Binance TRX or the Binance Tron's wallet, and I'm using the Tron TRC20 network. So as you can see from here, so I'll just click on copy wallet address. So I'll click on it. So I've copied it successfully, and I'll just head on to the site. I'll just paste the wallet address over here, click on start mining, so it will automatically load to my dashboard. As you can see from here guys, I'm having 5.60 TRX balance in my account. So guys, this is really super cool. The site is really legit, and I think it's going on. And if you want some payout proof, I can show you guys. There are some payout proof over here. As you can see, this guy withdrew 519 TRX. This guy also withdrew 182, 300, 324, and it goes on and forth. So guys, this is really super cool, and you also can do it and get TRX for yourself. So if you want to withdraw, you just click on the withdrawal button over here. So you click on it, it will lead you to another page, but the minimum withdrawal is 2 TRX and the maximum is about 100,000 TRX. So before you can actually withdraw on this platform, you actually need to make a minimum deposit of $6 in TRX. So you first of all need to deposit or invite 10 people onto this platform before you can actually withdraw. So if you want to buy if you want to deposit TRX, you first of all need to buy plan. And so this is it. So you can actually buy the $100 plan. You see, buy for $100 over here, then you'll be earning 133 TRX each and every day for 3 days. So guys, this is really super cool. It's like a doubler site. So remember, I'm not a financial advisor by any means. This is how I make money online, and I share it on YouTube so that you also can decide on it if you want to really join me, or you can decide to leave. So guys, this is how this platform actually works. You need to make deposit before you can actually withdraw, or you need to invite 10 people so that you can actually withdraw for free. So guys, kindly use my link in the description box so that you could also get yourself some bonus and mine TRX for yourself. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find it really informative, then remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to click on notification bell. Thank you. I'm Crypto Denzel, and I'm out.